Can you trade Forex without a bank account? Let's find out in this video. Have you been trading Forex without a bank account? Tell us in the comments section below how you have been doing it. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. Can you trade Forex without a bank account? Yes, it is possible to trade Forex without a traditional bank account. Many online Forex brokers offer alternative payment methods that allow you to deposit and withdraw funds without relying on a bank. One of the most common alternatives to traditional bank accounts is the use of credit or debit cards. Major credit and debit cards are widely accepted by Forex brokers, providing a convenient and accessible way to fund your trading account. Another popular option is electronic wallets. E-wallets like PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller offer secure and efficient methods for transferring funds online. These platforms often have lower fees compared to traditional bank transfers and can be used to deposit and withdraw money from your Forex trading account. In recent years, cryptocurrencies have also gained popularity as a payment method for Forex trading. Some brokers allow you to deposit and withdraw funds using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This can offer certain advantages, such as faster transaction times and reduced fees. However, it's important to note that the availability of these alternative payment methods may vary depending on your location and the specific broker you choose. Additionally, there may be fees associated with using these methods. When selecting a Forex broker, it's crucial to research their reputation, regulatory status, and the range of payment options they offer. Choosing a reputable broker will help ensure the safety and security of your funds. By carefully considering your options, you can find a suitable Forex broker that allows you to trade without a traditional bank account.